Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to register yourself to a study group or how to register a guest to one of our events, the intro or the follow-up. So once you get to your home page, you'll see this, your home page dashboard. You go to communication and you go to calendar events. Once you get to calendar events, you should be able to pick your state. If you don't, automatically by default, it does click your state automatically. And then everything for the month of May is in this calendar. So I'm going to register myself to tomorrow's event because I have already people for the 30th. So you click on the 31st, which is for tomorrow. And as you can see, it gives you the time and what's going on and the registration. So what you do is you add myself to the card. Okay, so once you click that, your name now is going to be pending under registration. Okay, until you hit complete registration, it won't appear as registered. So you hit complete registration. It'll just take a few seconds. And then it says successful. Hit OK. And then now your name is no longer in pending, it's now registered. So when you go to the event, when you show up in the South Loop or in Downers Grove, you check in the desktop, your name is already registered. So all they do is they check in for you. And that's how we keep attendance for all of our investors. And the same thing goes for any guests that you might have. So if they're new guests, you click new, you put their full name, last name, phone number, and email, hit add to cart, and then complete registration. If it's an existing someone that's been there before, you can just type in their name. I'm going to type this guy's name now because he's supposed to go tomorrow, and it might take a few seconds, but there he is. You click on it, you hit add to cart. His name is in pending, and until I hit complete registration, then okay. And now that's it. Now I'm registered, he's registered. So when he checks in, they're going to check him in at the front desk, and his name's going to be now entered in the system. So, and that's pretty much it. When you're done with this, you can close it. The address of the event is always here. And then that's pretty much it. So if you guys have any questions, give me a call, send me a text or whatever. I'll talk to you soon.